Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be calling this one our 5 off $25 prep video, where we're going to be going over tons and tons and tons of deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other DG videos for you all this week. It's a little bit of a slow week, but we still have some really good deals out there. So we do have a 4-day sale going on right now through Saturday. And then we also have new clearance markdowns and a penny list, and all of those prices changed on Tuesday. So if you missed either of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the deals. So in this video, I have put together over 100 deals. So we've got coupon matchups. We also have the DG cashback offers. And y'all make sure that you stick around today, because I will be uploading the full glitch list video. Now, also wanted to remind everybody that we do have a lot of digital coupons that are expiring this Saturday, specifically on our P&G products. So Gain coupons, Tide coupons, Mr. Clean, all of those amazing Febreze coupons, all of those will be expiring, so make sure that you use them before we lose them. And of course, make sure that you stay tuned, because I will have our 5 off $25 scenario video ready to go first thing for you Friday morning. Now, while we're taking a look at these deals, I also wanted to talk about a deal. I forgot to make a slide for it, but I wanted to go ahead and mention it. We do have the Scott 12-count bath tissues. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $8. Well, we also have instant savings on Scott brand products. For when you spend $15, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So I tried this deal out on Sunday. I tried this at an old register, a new register, and a self-checkout, and I could not get both promotions to stack and work together. So my question to you all, has anybody tried this deal out? Has anybody been able to get the instant savings to work with the sale, or is it only applying one or the other for you? So if you've tried this deal, please let me know how it worked out for you down in the comment section below. Also, on the topic of messages and emails, if you are waiting on a response from me, I promise you guys, I'm going to be working on emails and messages for the next 2 days. I'm going to be doing a good comb through of my email, because sometimes things get sent over to the spam folder, unfortunately. And then I know that I have probably at least 5 or 6 emails from you guys that I need to reply to. I've read them, just haven't had time to reply. So that is next on my to-do list. So if you're waiting on a reply from me, I promise you'll hear from me in the next couple of days. As you guys know, this is a one-woman show, so I just kind of have to roll with the punches and do what I can do when I get time to do them. So please just bear with me on that front. You know, videos like this one right here specifically, these take a lot of time to make all of these slides. So please don't forget to help your girl out. Hit that thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. It really helps me out more than you all realize. Now, y'all let me know down in the comment section, are you ready for Halloween? Are you going to be celebrating? Are you going to pass? What are your plans for Halloween? I'm going to turn on a little spooky Halloween music, and I will talk to you all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we have almost made it to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second. Check out all of these deals. Look right here. If the cashback stacks, $1.50 final price. You can't beat it. So we have some really, really good deals going on at Dollar General this week. Our 5 off 25s are going to be absolutely on fire again. Last Saturday turned out to be absolutely amazing. I love those deals that we had last Saturday with those DG store coupons stacking and working together. We came out with some really, really amazing deals. And honestly, I think this Saturday is going to be just as good. So, like I said, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more deals coming at you. The glitch list is going to be up later on today. I'm going to have our 5 off $25 scenarios up first thing Friday morning. So, don't forget before you go, do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.